Birchville, Ohio, this is Don Ruffner, Jr. R-U-F-E-N-E-R, Ruffner. At 47. First lap is a 19.530. 19.530 for the first lap. Don Ruffner, R-U-F. Second lap is a 19.471. 19.471. And this is last year's champion, again out of Yurtsville, Ohio. This is Don Ruffner III. And that's 007. First lap is a 19.431. 19.431 for that 007 of Don Ruffner III. Second lap is a 18.528, and first lap that was for Deal. For Bannister is 179. Three double times here, and without any kind of rehab. Number 12, 18.367 for Michael Deal in that number 12 second lap, and second lap for Josh Bannister, 17.981. That's 17.981. Up next on the track is that number 9, rookie this year. This is Greg Kidd. The number 9 car has won a feature this year, but with a different driver. It's early in the season. 18.612 for the first lap for Greg Kidd, and then first lap for Brian Thompson in 66. 18.067. 18.067. Second lap for Greg Kidd. 18.561. Second lap for Brian Thompson. 1.8008. Up next out on the track. And at 17, it's good to see him back out. That is David Stern. Dave Stern into 17, and then Adriel Murray. Time off to the lead in the feature, and did not turn out the best for either of them, but tough competitors. Yeah. And then for North Dakota, 18.3. Sonia Jr. second lap is at 17.617. And coming down North Dakota with a 17.761.